Hey everyone! Today I'll show how to install Optifine and shaders on CurseForge. Open your browser and search for Optifine. Click download. Let's check our version. I have 1.21. Enter. Here, find all versions. 1.21. Download. Wait. Click download. Here's our file. I'll move it to the desktop. Now back to the browser. Search for shaders. I like these shaders. I want 1.20 comma, so that's 1. Yes, download. Wait. Click download. I'll move these two files to the desktop. Next, open CurseForge. Select your build, click 3 dots, open folder. Here are mods. I'll add our Optifine. Done. Close. Now launch the game. Click play, play, click play. Starting up. Go to settings. Here's video settings, shaders. Click shaders, then shader folder. Move the downloaded archive here. Here they are. Turn them on. That's it. This was named. Bye everyone.